Got some solo time but not sure how to make the most of it? Thinking about flying solo for the first time and leaving the nest? Or maybe life's thrown you back into solo living mode after some recent changes? Welcome aboard, you're in the right place. First things first, let's tackle the big S word, solitude. Instead of seeing it as a solo pity party, flip the switch and embrace it like a boss. Use this time to recharge, work on yourself, and maybe even reorganize some aspects of your life if needed. And hey, why not indulge in your hobbies or binge watch your favorite YouTube channels guilt-free? Hack 2. Set goals and intentions. Living alone provides the time and freedom to set your own priorities and pursue your passions. Take advantage of this autonomy by setting clear and meaningful weekly, monthly, and yearly goals and intentions for yourself. Whether it's rebalancing your budget, taking care of your health, or learning a new skill, having clear goals can give you a sense of purpose and direction in your solo journey. Hey, if you like this video so far, subscribe for more epic solo tips. Hack 3. Gratitude, baby. Throughout my 24-year solo journey, you wouldn't believe how many people I've met who secretly longed for more solo time in their lives. So, let's flex those gratitude muscles. Living solo isn't always rainbows and unicorns, but there's plenty to be thankful for. Start each day with a simple thank you to the universe for the little things, like being able to decide when and how to eat your favorite meals, or if a TV set is an opt-out at home. Trust me, it's the small stuff that packs the biggest punch. Hack 4. Stay emotionally connected like a pro. Let's talk now about staying connected while enjoying being alone. With all these social media platforms around us, it sometimes feels like we have to put in extra effort just to recharge our batteries in complete solitude. Living alone and loving it doesn't imply, though, that we should completely disconnect from the crazy world around us. Reach out to your squad, schedule a few hangouts, and sprinkle a little social spice into your solo life. Show interest in others, listen to what they have to offer, and who knows, you might just make some lifelong connections along the way. Bonus. Here's a bonus for introverts to wrap it up. If you're an introvert, channels like this one can help you stay connected and learn tips and tricks to hack the solo lifestyle and become all you were created to be at your own pace. So, whether you're an extroverted social butterfly or a cozy introvert, there's something here for everyone. And there you have it, folks. 4 mindset hacks, plus a bonus to rock your solo world. Keep living that solo dream.